Sanibonani, peace and vusele. Welcome to Trudy Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, so Musam Saleko posted a picture with a caption. They are ready to take over. We all started with nothing. So people are saying, oh, to no, Umpumelelo and Lwandle, they are not ready to take over. They need to go back to school and get qualification. So this lady went on to say, Abaqhubeke phela nasesikolweni. Musamsaleko went on to say, back in the day, school was equalized, guys. According to Musamsaleko, education, it is not important as long as you know how to make money. Back in the olden days, education provides equal opportunities for all to succeed regardless of your background. The reason why Musamsaleko is saying this is because they will be running the family business Yakwamsaleko. As we all know, Umpilo this year she will be graduating. The girls are busy, guys, thanks to Makomalo. One thing about Makomalo, guys, she's making sure Umpilo she's living the best life. Awongwe, she's currently in Johannesburg studying. As for Lwandle, I haven't seen him doing anything besides being part of the reality show Uthando Nesithembu and his Nesithembu. As for Mpumelelo, we know, guys, Mpumelelo, he has a security company, he has other businesses, so the guy is really doing well, guys. Maybe he could go back to school just to do a business course. Maybe he has a qualification. You never know, guys. Just because we see them on our screen, that's the day we don't know what they are doing behind the scene. We only can judge what we see on our screen. Besides that, there's nothing that we can say. Anyway, guys, tell me in the conversation, what do you think? Do you think Mpumelelo and Lwandle, they need to go back to school and get qualification, or maybe they should continue with their family business? Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.